Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.